Hello everyone, it's Elle, and let's talk about home decor trends that have really dominated the interior design world, like modern farmhouse and modern organic trends. Now, over the last few years, you can see that some of these designs have really fallen flat when it comes to the color palettes. Well, for 2025, there are new decor trends in new colors, and HomeGoods is a perfect place to find inexpensive ways to spruce up your decor. Now, going into HomeGoods or HomeSense and trying to locate the perfect colors for your home can be a bit overwhelming at first, but I say always start off with decorative items that are bold and have texture and interest as soon as you see it. If you already have pieces like these, such as the big Joshua vases in the muted tones, you're going to want to stay away from purchasing them again. If you already have them in your home, go ahead and paint them another color. It's not a total loss. Or if you're DIY savvy, you can add elements of detail like painting a branch gold and putting it over your Joshua vases or your large muted tone vases. You can also paint wood organic vases and objects to give it a bit of interest, or add bright, beautiful, bold colored flowers or greenery to give your decor some interest. HomeGoods always carries on-trend home decor, so you're going to be able to go in and find these pieces at an inexpensive cost. There are prices ranging from $9.99 to $39.99, so there's something for every budget, which will make it really easy to incorporate color into your home. Now let's talk about furniture with detail. Now, bringing in colored furniture is a lot tricky. I would say start off with a small entryway table in a bright, bold, beautiful color. Another way to add color or furniture detail is to start off with accent chairs. Move in small interchangeable furniture pieces such as a colored footstool, a bench, a textured ottoman. You can add color to your space without making a huge impact that may be intimidating. However, paying attention to smaller furniture items and the detail it provides can definitely add style to your space. When you're shopping at HomeGoods and you want your home to look like it was styled by a designer, consider shopping for pieces that look upscale. Skip these type of bowls and opt for an elegant bowl with interest. Pay a little bit more for a little bit more style. Shopping at HomeGoods for artwork is another way to bring in that designer element into your home. So you're going to want to skip these muted canvases that have no interest and no light. As an alternative, add 3D artwork or a gallery wall to bring in those designer elements that will add conversation and interest to your walls. Also, try eliminating these trendy busts and add a bust with detail. Even paint your bust that you have now, put a little gold in it, or pick up one from HomeGoods that brings in life, conversation again, and will give you a creative design for any tabletop. HomeGoods also has on trend lifelike greenery, big and bold, beautiful trees. So I recommend skipping over these tall olive trees and opting for a leafy green succulent plant that will really pop in any corner. There's a lot to choose from in HomeGoods. So I can go on and on about the beautiful trending pieces that HomeGoods is loading up on for 2025, but let's take the store tour. Let's see for ourselves, bring in a new rug, some lamps. Overall, great items to help you spruce up a dated space, bring in pops of color. So enjoy this store tour. There's a lot to see. I truly appreciate you watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.